Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Typefully, and this is the best writer for Twitter and LinkedIn based on AI. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Now you can see it has to offer a wide range of features related to AI to boost up your content that you post on Twitter. So you can have various activities going on. So you have this nice interface where you can even schedule and create different type of posts based on your LinkedIn profile or your Twitter profile. So you have this quiz system and you can add your posts in that as well. You can also choose the perfect timing and boost your content, retweet and plug your posts for automated engagement. Now you can see for X, it has to offer this AI writer using which you can boost your content and engagement as well. So of course, if people are going to be watching your posts that are professionally made using a tool such as Typefully, it is going to be really boosting and making a good impression. You can use different type of AI prompts to generate posts. Like for example, if you need ideas about something, you simply need to type in a prompt and it will be generating various posts among which you can simply fine tune them, and then they will be ready to go onto your platform. So an amazing tool indeed, Typefully. If we head over to Typefully's reviews, you can see people are saying fantastic, just subscribe, this superhero upgraded, I'm already getting value by just looking through the analytics of my previous tweets. As you can see, we have many more good reviews as well. My go-to source for writing threads, and you can see 400 to 2200 tweets with Typefully. So this is really amazing. Yes, I would love it. Count on me. And so basically, people are having a really nice reviews about this platform. You can also give it a try by using the link in the description, which will get you extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So make sure to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and see you around in the next one.